about you? I'm fine. How about you? How are you today? Hope you're happy to see Teacher Esther again. Now, today again we have something great and interesting. Are you ready? Yes! Yes, we are ready for Teacher Esther. Now, we are going to look at some double sounds again. Last time I told you about double sounds, and here now we have more double sounds. More double sounds. Say double sounds. Double sounds. And here we have some double sounds on my chart here. Are you seeing them? We have, guess it? Do you know it? I hope you don't know, but I'm teaching you today. Here we have double sound. We are making these double sounds to get some words from. We are getting words from double sounds. These are some words. We are going to learn how to read them. Now here, double sounds. We have double sound. We are going to look at A. A. A is a double sound. Remember I told you this one does not speak, but the first one talks for this one. And this one also it is going to talk for this one. The first letter sound, it is the one talking for the next sound. And here we have A and E, which means A talks for this one. I think you're getting me. The double sounds, the first one talks for this one. This one talks for this one. Are you getting me? Now, today we are learning about this double sound. We call it A. You can get your palm and do like this. Get your hand like this. You put on behind your ear and say A. You say A. Again A. This is the sound we are talking about. And here this one also talks like this one. Say A. Again A. Louder A. Louder A. Yeah, this sound says A. Again A. Again A. Again A. Don't get tired. Let us say it again. A. Sound A. Double sound A. And this one double sound A. All of these ones, the talking is the same, but here the letter sounds are different, but the first ones are the same, and they say the same sound. They say A. A. And now here we have A, and now we are going to learn another word, one word of A. Again, A. Let us spell this one. I will spell together. Remember sound. Remember this sound. Sound. And this one double sound. A. Double sound. A. Double sound. A. Now let us say it together. A. And the word is say. The word is say. The word is say. Let us make an action again for this sound, for this word. Let us say the word is say. A. The word The word is say. Can you say something to me? Say. The word is say. Let us look to another word with A. Let us look to another word A. With A. Remember I told you this is A. Again, put your hand behind your ear and say A. Again, A. And we are going to make a word with A. Are you ready? Okay, let us spell together. A. Again. A. You know, when you want to learn more of these double sounds or sounds, you have to make actions. Let us make the actions now and reread the word. A. Again. A. The word is rain. The word is rain. The word is rain. Do you have some rain at home? I hope you have some rain at home. Is it drizzling or falling? Okay, this is our rain. When mommy tells you to write the word rain, you say, Mommy, the word is rain. The word is rain. From our double sound, A. Let us go back to this one. From our double sound, A. Double sound, A. A. The word is say. The word is say. Can you say something? Okay, teacher can say something to you. A. A. I'm saying to you, A. A. And here we have the words from A. A with this E. And A with this E. Say. And this one, rain. I hope you've heard these words from the double sounds. Next time, you're going to know more of the double sounds. I've just brought 2 of them, but next time we shall have more of the double sounds. See you next time and enjoy this work. And don't forget to tell mommy or daddy to subscribe on our YouTube channel and to press the notification bell. See you next time. Bye-bye.